Whisper. You not have a burner phone?
I did a call the bossy, but like a phone up on side.
Sure. Yeah, dip on silent, not vibrate. Sorry about that. You check on the thing where you're supposed to check on for me?
Yeah man, that's what I come to tell you about.
Come. So where you here?
Well, me says the police. And a normal police tell him, dangerous, very deadly. He not take talk. And the whole of the man them down on the wall time, afraid of them, fear him. A dopey maker make big ghost down there.
Him file say him lose him daughter and him wife divorce him. That's why him get so cruel.
Yeah, me hear the argument. Me hear say, as some man when him dash away, friend them go back for him. So it's a revenge move. And them just wet up the whole house and him daughter get it.
That's why every Wednesday like clockwork in their Calvary Cemetery. Cause him daughter grave him go visit.
Bossy, me hear say them man they alone take on 12 man, you know, or more. You see me? The man no ease up. So, he's not a normal man. So you yourself have to know how you have to take on them man.
I understand your concern, Whispers. But if him have anything at all to do with the disappearance of my friend, I could have me a deal with it.
But you know say any man a roll them type of way and a them alone apart. Them fully guard up.
Whispers, I don't believe in them something then.
Bossy, believe kill or believe cure. It's real and it exists. I just tell you this because I know how it go right now in the streets. Alone science.
Me work with my own science. And it have 17 dopey and an extra clip.